Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday 23rd of November 2020, the beginning of the new trading week. So let's take a look at the Forex calendar and then let's make some technical analysis. So let me just click on the appropriate market and we are going to start with on Monday PMI manufacturing data. Look at this. There's plenty of PMI manufacturing data from all over the Eurozone. As you can see, we got France, Germany, of course, the two most important ones. And then, of course, there is PMI manufacturing from the Eurozone, and then United Kingdom. We will see what it looks like. We got manufacturing, services, and composites. So we got all three of them to be released between 10 o'clock, 10:15 up to 11:30 in the morning. So quite interesting morning in the Eurozone. We should have some PMI manufacturing data from United States, and we have ISM manufacturing, final services PMI, and composite PMI from the United States scheduled for release at 4:45. So that's another data from United States regarding the manufacturing and services PMIs. And then look at this. We got some speeches at the end of the day. At 5:30, we got speeches again from MPC members. We got Andy Haldane, we got Michael Sanders, we got Silviana Tenreino as well, and then at 10 o'clock we got FOMC member Charles Evans to give a speech. So it's going to be some kind of a Eurozone data morning, and then it's going to be American afternoon together with some speeches, including, as you can see, Andy Haldane and other from the United Kingdom. So let's take a look at. I think we should take a look at the Eurozone, and in the Eurozone, the most important will be Euro-Dollar. And Euro-Dollar will cover this and this releases. So then we should take a look at Euro to British Pound. I think it's going to be okay. And then we are going to take a look at the gold and Ethereum from the cryptocurrency market. So let's just take a look. Now we got Euro-Dollar. So let's just start with the Euro-Dollar ahead of the important data releases. It doesn't want to load. Okay, now we got a Euro to the British Pound. So let's start with the Euro to the British Pound. And as you can see, I got the daily time frame chart. This daily time frame chart is right now showing some kind of a weakness in Euro. The Euro is being sold and the British Pound is being bought. This is very interesting candle. This is a pin bar candle. As you can see, it indicates the bulls had been defending the level of 8,863 pips. So we got this defense here. Then we got a bounce, but it didn't work well because we are still going lower. That's the one thing. The second thing is the price is still below this golden trend line, orange golden trend line. And then the third thing is the level of 9,003 pips has not been violated yet. So the outlook for the Euro versus the British Pound is bearish, and the momentum confirms that because it's weak and it's negative, and it's possibly showing us that we can go even lower, and the bears are in full control of this market. So the next target for the Euro to the British Pound is 8,865 pips at least. So let's take a look at this Euro-Dollar chart. There you go. Okay, so what is going on the euro dollar? We have local high made at the level of 1.1916, then retracement towards 50%, 1.1761, and then we bounced. We have bounced above the short-term trendline resistance. It was violated once, now it's violated for the second time, but I think the more adequate will be this, because this setup, because the line, this blue line has been already traded. It was violated, then it was tested, so it was traded. So right now I think it's not that much of use for us, so I think we can easily put it here, and as you can see, the market is consolidating just below this trend line. So basically the level of course we got this level of 1.1882, which is the technical resistance, and it has been touched many times, but we got another one which is somewhere here at the level of 1.1893. So this is like a 10 pips distance, right, between these two levels. So you have a zone, and any violation of this zone will lead to violation of the blue trend line, and then we are testing 1.1916, and if this one is violated, then we are going to 1.2000. So the high is 1.2013, and this is where the bulls are going. So right now it's looking good for bulls. We are consolidating here, waiting for a breakout higher, and the short-term RSI is supporting the outlook. So we are now waiting for another leg up on the euro dollar. Let's take a look at gold. What is going on gold? we got this orange trend line. Right now we will leave it alone. Then we got this, of course, massive candle down, a little bounce. As you can see, we bounced towards the level of this is the high of 1898, so it's almost 1900. Since then, again, we went lower, and right now we are just in this range. This range is between these lows around 1849 and this 1900, so it's a $50 range, and the market is trading inside of this range, but the control in the short term is leaning towards bears, because the momentum is still below the 50 level. It trades right now at the level of 45, so it's weak. Maybe not that it's not very weak, but it's definitely weak, and the bears are in control in the short term of this market, of course. So in order to go higher, let me just adjust the levels. We need to break above 1900, let's say, and then of course go towards the 1965 high that was made before this big candle was done. So this is the current outlook: consolidation with the potential of with the potential breakout above 1900. But if there is no breakout, we will just keep going horizontally. We keep trading horizontally. Then we should be careful, because we might go even lower, and even lower, I mean 38% of the Fibonacci retracement of the whole wave up, which is at 1835. So if there is no buying from the bullish side, from the demand side of the market, then of course after the short period of horizontal trend, we will go definitely lower, because of this massive bearish candle, which is showing the current direction. Okay, and right now it's the Ethereum. I don't think I ever analyzed the Ethereum. Oh yes, we did. Okay, so that's good. Why I'm talking about it? I'm talking about it because during the recent times the Ethereum had trading very dynamically, and right now we are approaching the level of 600. Let's just make the 600 visible. So the 600, yeah, and we are approaching this level. We already passed 500, of course. It's logical. The other level important is around the 400. So as you can see, this main channel is still valid, but right now we are not getting much from it because the price is far away of this main channel. This is actually the acceleration channel right now where we are trading. So the target is at 600, but in the short term, of course. But if we take a look at the RSI, we can see that we are in the overbought territory, extremely overbought, because this is the level of 80 right now. So please expect some kind of a reaction on the level of 600 on Ethereum, because it will mean that there is some kind of a bigger or lower selling orders, right? So some people might be selling Ethereum when it hits the $600. So that's everything for me. Just a couple of technical analysis for today. Please remember that we got plenty of data to be released from the Eurozone and from the United States, so it might be kind of a busy day. We will see how this market data release will affect the overall situation. So thank you very much for today. I hope I'll see you tomorrow, guys, and I wish you a good, profitable trading week. Bye bye.